Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Instagram set up. Now take 3 fast, practical steps. First, switch to a creator or business account and enable insights so you can measure results. Next, pick a focused niche and define a single audience persona. This narrows product choices and messaging. Finally, apply to 2 5 affiliate programs, save your tracking links and partner ID, and plan your first 5 posts. Once done, you'll have accounts, offers, and a testing plan to begin promoting today. Now produce content that converts. Create reels showing product use, stories with link stickers, and feed posts linking in bio. Explain how the product solves a problem. Use demo, review, and short comparison formats to build trust. Make sure each post has a clear CTA, tap the link or save this, and include your tracking UTM so you know which creative wins. Once you publish, schedule follow-ups, promote top posts with small ad budgets, and iterate based on click-through and conversion data. Finish by scaling what works. Reallocate budget to winning reels and boost high-converting stories. Make sure your bio uses a single landing page or Linktree to host rotating affiliate links so you can update offers without changing captions. Track ROI and automate reporting. Plan to refresh offers every 4 to 6 weeks to avoid audience fatigue. If conversions drop or links stop working, immediately check your affiliate dashboard, UTM tags, URL shortener status, and Instagram app link permissions. Fixing one of those usually restores tracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.